Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System Management. Then let's tap on Backup and Restore and tap on Backup Data. Now let's tap on Next and tap on Add Account. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So just tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and then tap on I agree after reading. Alright, now choose it from the list, and now you can choose what kind of data you'd like to backup. So you can choose photos and videos or other device data. Just mark the option, I will choose only this one. Of course you can tap on both and then tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.